And our product configurator allows you, let's go back to that sales order. I won't enter it, but I will show you what it looks like. And you can do this without the benefit of an order. You can do this on the quote, and you can do this on the sales order. But if I put in that sales order number 5063, when I get to item 2, if this was something that was configurable, I think I've got one out here called ARL. Then it invokes the product configurator, and now I can say, okay, what's my size? Which size is being chosen? And I'll select that, and that size takes me to the different sizes I have available. I say I want to select that. What's my light source? And I understand this isn't your structure, but you can see how the color and those kind of things can be chosen, and different colors could increase the price if you like. And so then you make all your choices. I've got all these set to required, so it would require me to finish this before I can go down. And then when I'm all done, you can have only one option, or you might have 3 or 4, and you can have one option call another. This can get pretty detailed. But I can use the help key, and I can display the detailed configuration. It'll show me all the options I've chosen. Show me an intelligent part number build up here on the top based on the options I chose, and show me the total price, so I can give this to customer before I commit it. But if I say, okay, I'm done, finish, and save current configuration, it will go out and look to see if you've pre-selected those items before. So if you've selected all those items before, it'll know that part number, it'll go get it, and it won't create a duplicate part number. In this case, it did. It created part number ARL-9. I've got it set to create a part number that starts with ARL, which was the configuration ID, then a dash, and just a sequence number. So a nice simple part sequence. So now I can sell this as one item for $290. So our product configurator allows you to build all those options in place ahead of entering the order, so that if they put in let's say a catalog code or something out of a catalog with all these different parts, it'll show them all the valid options they have. Engineering's controlling, usually engineering, somebody's controlling what options are available, and they can't make up their own. They have to do it as they enter it. So then that would have just been another item on the part. Now, if I look at, by the way, part study, let me show you what that did. ARL-9. I had it set just to build the description line by line based on the options chosen. And it built up this config ID that is cross-referenced everywhere in the system that the part number is prompted. So I could type in or scan ARL-3-E1-2 if I know it, and it'll bring me back ARL-9. Or I could use any of the other, I could use just ARL model number and it'll look them all up. So if I were to say, let me see ARL as a model number, it shows me all the different parts that start with that. These are the different options that have been chosen. So this is the part master screen, and they create specifications based on the choices made that were set up in the configurator. It set up the material control tab with the routing, with the pegging and order. It set it up as a make buy part, set it up as MRP, set up a 7-day lead time. These are all choices I made when I set up the configuration itself.